Alright, hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Josh. This is Chimera Craft, where we build stuff that we really don't need, but we do it anyway because it's fun. So, this week's project is a honeydew list. We have a laundry room. And my wife said she wants it to look nice. So when we're in the kitchen cooking or when she's doing laundry, she's not in some utilitarian type gulag type thing. So she said, go ahead and do it, put it on your channel, just get it done. And I said, okay. But we live in Thailand, we rent a condo, a townhouse, and it's not our house. So I wasn't gonna put a lot of money into it. So I wanted to do something that could be low budget, but still look good. And the best way to do that is with plants. Plants are your friends. So I had a budget of about 2,000 baht. It's about 60 US dollars. I went over it a little bit, but not by much. And I think the outcome was pretty good. So let's get into that right now. I'll show you what I did to make it look the way it looks now, and we'll get into it. Maybe you could do this something with your laundry room or something, I don't know. But it is a honeydew list. I had to do it. It was a quick project, and I hope you like it. Let's get to it. Alright, so this is the next project. My wife has tasked me with making this little area not a trash heap. This is where the kitty litter box is and the washing machine, and it is, as you can see, utilitarian at best. And my job is to prettify this with a little DIY-ing. So that is what I am going to do. So this is before, and then you can see what happens after. All right, so before we can beautify this spot, we're gonna have to clean it up, or I'm gonna have to clean it up. My wife might help me, but we'll see. So we just have to clean all this stuff out, wipe down the walls, get everything ready to put together, and we'll go from there. So let's go ahead and do that now.
Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher.
Okay, well, got it all cleaned up. I just gotta let it dry, so I'm not gonna start any of the project until tomorrow. You can tell I got a bunch of stuff to throw away. I got it all cleaned up, but when I'm done, it should look pretty good. I'm going to start working on this wall. It's going to be the first thing. I'm going to cover this up with some material. I got to put some shelves in here and some accoutrement. And then we're going to just go from there and figure out where I want to put the plants so I can put in the bars and all that stuff for the hanging plants. And then I'll work on the shelves and get the shelves put in and the plants, hanging plants down. So hopefully, I think I can get most of this done today. I might have to do some odds and ends tomorrow, but I think we're going to do most of it today. And my wife is probably going to help me maybe a little bit. She probably won't be happy about it, but she will do it. All right, so we're going to do that now.
I miss the family I used to have. I feel like everything's so different now. Sitting by the fire as we'd watch the flames burn out. I miss the days I wasn't afraid. Now I always have my guard up, hands on my face. I learned to cope with the pain. I know that people think I'm trying to get attention, but in reality I'm trying to send a message. I know there's kids out there that are going through the same thing, and if you're one of them, I hope to help your suffering. Just know it will get better, and these feelings do not stay the same. No, they don't stay the same. I don't wanna make you feel bad.
these bars put up to hang the plants. Then we're gonna have to go buy plants and basically put everything together, get the cat box thing set up, and we're done. So really pretty easy, pretty fast, pretty easy project. Only took a couple days plus the time it took me to figure out what I was gonna do. But we're almost done, so give me about 2 hours today, we'll have it finished. Let's get to it.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. Now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you.
Alright, so we're finishing up our little thing here and we're gonna buy some plants to hang. And these hang well, so we're gonna buy 9 of these bad boys.
Look at that. Oh, I go.
And that's how you get free plants. You cut them off your old one, and they just grow right back. 6 plants. These, how much would these be? $30 each. So that's
Yeah.
That's $6.
That was long time ago before plant lovers become a
Plantitas and
big plantitas and
plantitos.
plantitos in the Philippines. Before it actually became big, the plants were so cheap. 2 years ago, right? 3 years ago, we already bought a lot of plants back then.
Yeah.
And now they're like triple the price.
Well, they're free to us because we have some already, so we can just replant them. Okay, let's go.
All right, so you ready to see the final project? Yeah, it was a little bit more work than I thought it was. But it turned out pretty good. I hope you like it. Let's go ahead and take a look at it now.
Drama. Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100, it's all that I wanted. But lately I don't get the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me all over this planet. I'm just a man and I can't understand it. Proud that I win and I did it myself. Probably wouldn't if I got the help. Hearing subliminals all on myself. Feel like I'm breaking, I'm falling to hell. Told me I'm sick and I tell her, oh well. Rather be dead than to know that I failed. Live for the chase, life is a race. I'm out of space, I'ma get on my face. I got a taste, well the whole plate finna get laced if you step out of place. Like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talking, your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, I slaved for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like never really know when you're gonna go. Why you gotta put another foot in front of yours? Bury them toes, carry them close. I was never one to care about my mentos. I was like froze, now I'm on floor. Give me that smoke, but I can't get high. We do the most, here to inspire. Doing what I'm supposed, but I can't get tired. Run for your life, every night. See in the dark, blind by the light. I got the spark, I got the pipes. All of my arts coming to life. Had to face my fears while I chase my peers, and I found my spot. About time that I found myself. I've been out here walking that walk. Like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talking, your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talking, your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing.
It turned out pretty good, right? I think it looks really good, especially for like 80 bucks. I did all that with less than $80. So I hope you like this video. This was not a project that was really on my list. My wife just asked me to do it, so I did it. I think it turned out pretty nice. If you did like it, if you've gone back and looked at some of my other videos, please hit that like, share, subscribe, come back for more projects, and I promise I'll try to do some cool stuff. So until next time, thank you very much. See you later. Say bye, Pac-Man. That's cat for goodbye.